All right, welcome back everyone. I want to show you a quick little trick you can do when you don't have weights, but you have something like what I have, a beam in your garage and you want to do some workouts. As you can see, I have the pulley set up right there and have this little nail right there that holds my handles when I'm not using them. I also have this Home Depot bucket right here, and I have these rocks. By simply putting those rocks inside of the bucket, I've now created a weight source for my pulleys. After I've got my bucket there, literally take a tricep rope, clip that on. The other end, I have the strap that was given to me with my Fit Archon pulley. You'll see that it has something to go around. What I'm gonna do is put that around my bucket like this. So now I have the bucket of rocks. I have the handle connected to the pulley, carabiner, tricep pushdowns. And as you can see, now it's very easy for me to just grab my pulleys and start doing my exercise. As I'm doing it, and I'll come back a little bit so you can see the bucket go up and down in the air. You want to make sure to do it in a slow and controlled manner, right? That way it doesn't move too much. And at the same time, making sure not to use your entire arm, but rather the bend at the elbow is what you want to have, whether it's working your triceps or working your biceps. So from this angle right here, I can curl in. So like I said, this is a quick little DIY for your home gym that you guys can use. All you need is a cable pulley. Spuddings makes a good one. Fit Archon, you can also watch DIY videos on YouTube to make your own. Have something to support it on, like the beam that I have here in my garage. Have your attachment, whether it's single arm or two arm, like this one. And then it's gonna come, like I said, with the other part that hooks up to your weight source. That could be a bucket with some rocks or a book bag. Hope you guys liked the video. Talk to you soon.